My people, make una watch this video. Make una pay attention to this video. Una go see say na Nairamarley, Samlarry, and one popular Ilorin Muslim cleric dey for the video. Yes, even Zinolesky dey for this video. I go show una later. But wetin dey happen for this video? Wetin be the thing wey dey happen? As una know, hospital don talk say very soon the inquiry result for the autopsy go soon come out. Na im these things now don dey unveil o. Na im we see Naira, Samlarry, they don go bring cleric wey come dey lay curses on anybody wey kpai Mohbad. They even sing Mohbad song. They come pray, put some curses on. Everybody gather say amen. Samlarry no gree talk amen o. But that one no be wetin bring us here. Wetin we dey talk be say many things go soon unfold for April because autopsy go show. Many things go show over even DNA. They go do am next month. So everything go unveil. Finally, we go know person wey kpai Mohbad. We go know whether Mohbad na him son be the next of kin true true. Even the papa of Mohbad don dey rejoice say at all they don even go put the matter for inside shrine, put am for God hand, put am for court hand. Say one of these go pay. One of these must unveil wetin kill the young boy Mohbad. So as we dey look the video, I go like play am make you hear wetin this cleric talk with him own mouth, and make you hear wetin dey sup and wetin Mohbad papa talk. Make una enjoy. Roll it.
Hey, wait, don't play that video yet. Welcome to Lost TV. This is your home of all daily Nigerian trending entertainment news and gossip you need to see and watch. Yes, we keep you entertained 247. Yes, 247. So just subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified anytime we drop the latest we do concerning your news and trending gist. So roll the video now. Roll it.
ọwọ́ ọmọ yẹn ni.
mo like aba ṣé kí tó sọ mo like Mohbad o.
aláìkẹ́ gan o.
mo máa ń kọrin rẹ̀.
àwọn kọrin rẹ̀ dáadáa.
dé ìdàfẹ́ táyà mi eré gan-an máa kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sí mọ́ rí.
My brothers are hungry. My brothers are hungry.
My brothers are hungry. Daddy gather money, oh, make I go poly. I go poly, I no go fly, I'm sorry. I don't make the brand new, I don't do Yahoo. I'm a pastor to one right. Ẹ wo bó ṣe fi wọn bá ṣẹ́jú yẹn sọ ọ̀rọ̀ gbèsè ayé ẹ̀.
ẹ wo bó ṣe fi wọn bá ìṣẹ́jú yẹn sọ ọ̀rọ̀ gbèsè ayé rẹ̀.
Kéèyàn wá jí àtọ́gbà òun kí bàbá rẹ̀ máa ń rówó lé san gángájà mọ́nì fún àti lọ skul rẹ̀ kí ni máa pa àwọn àbúrò rẹ̀ tẹ́yìn rẹ̀ kó mọ́ rẹ̀ kó wá tún kú àwọn kékeré kó wá ní ọwọ́ ẹnìkan ní kú ẹ̀ ti gbà ó tọ̀ wọ́n òkúta lé o.
ó ń tọ́ òkúta lé o.
Ẹ sàmì náà.
ó ń tọ́ máa tẹ̀lé o. ó ń tọ́ máa tẹ̀lé o.
ẹni ẹ máa kú tẹ̀lé.
máa kú tẹ̀lé.
torí èyàn ò lè jìyà báwọn kó má jọrọ̀.
èyàn lè jìyà báyẹn kó má jọrọ̀.
Kò dáa.
kò dáa.
Gbogbo ẹni tí kú rẹ̀ bá wà látọwọ́ rẹ̀.
gbogbo ẹni tí kú rẹ̀ bá wà látọwọ́ rẹ̀.
Òun nu Ọlọ́run.
òun nu Ọlọ́run àfà lọ́nà lọ.
Myself and that's Mohbad. Ẹ̀wọ̀n àti Daddy Mohbad in white. Ẹ má worry, ẹ má kánjú o.
Ẹ má fọ̀. Jésù ló ní settle down.
Ẹ má sọ lọ Daddy Mohbad. Daddy Mohbad is actually a very cool, calm man. God be with him. We so much appreciate him. I mean, meeting him, he's so handsome. Gbogbo ẹwà wọn láti tí Mohbad ní. Look at the smile. Mohbad jọ wọn too much. Àbí ìrí Mohbad ńlẹ̀lẹ̀ o, but ní pé nínú fídíò tí mo ṣe rí wọn is just a copy of the dad. I'm so happy to meet Daddy Mohbad.
Thank you. I go by the name Black Mamba. Don't forget, I thank God for my subscribers, my phone, and my sub. If you like, if you comment, if you subscribe, I'll keep thanking God for you. I love you all.